The new party president, Nitin Gadkari, has struck a radical new chord in party politics. Departing from the traditional line on the Ram Janambhoomi temple, Mr. Gadkari reached out to Muslims on this issue. He also signalled a shift in the party's stance on Article 370 and said that the BJP must include minorities and Dalits in their new agenda.
बहनों और भाइयों, आप सबके द्वारा और मेरे द्वारा मैं हिंदुस्तान के अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय को अपील करता हूं कि उतनी जगह केवल राम मंदिर के लिए दे दीजिए। अगर बाजू में कोई जगह होगी तो भव्य मस्जिद निर्माण करने के लिए हम आपको जरूर सहयोग करेंगे।
Ruling parties, Congress party everywhere. What the Muslims have benefited from that? चाय की टपरी, पान ठेला, कबाड़ी का दुकान, ट्रक ड्राइवर और क्लीनर। छठवा धंधा नहीं है।
सोशल इक्वेलिटी इज नॉट ए पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रेटेजी। ये हमारी जीवन निष्ठा है, इसके साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होगा।
केवल सत्ता कारण यानी पॉलिटिक्स, ऐसा क्यों आप अर्थ निकालते हो?
इसी प्रकार की भी अनुशासनहीनता टॉलरेट नहीं की जाएगी कि जो चाटुगिरी का और इस प्रकार का जो एक पॉलिटिकल कल्चर हमारे यहाँ आया है उसको कितना कम हो सके।
Every Indian has right to reside anywhere in India.
We are definitely not with Shiv Sena on this issue. We are two different political parties. Shiv Sena is our alliance partner.
And not a bad singer as well. Well, we're looking tonight on verdict at BJP's Gadkari makeover. Has Mr. Gadkari's tough talking shown a new way to the BJP? SMS us India Space Yes or India Space No to 56388. You can also log on to ndtv.com or write to me at ndtv.com/Sonia. Well, let's just go across to my special panel tonight. Let me go across first to Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, who is in Indore at the moment. Mr. Prasad, has Mr. Gadkari taken many of the old BJP stalwarts by surprise? Was it expected that he would really chart his own way in such a radical manner?
No, Sonia, that will not be the right way of observing this whole scenario. Whenever a new party president comes, he certainly spells out his own priorities. And he has been as candid about some of the limitations and weaknesses, if I can call about that, to improve that. And also the future path which the party has to take, which is destined to play a very effective role in the polity of the country. To that extent, how the workers needs to be charged. Yes, he has been candid. One of his observations, if I can quote it in Hindi, apni rekha badi karo, dusre ki rekha choti mat karo.
Yes.
That means significantly. His other observation, that जब छोटे कार्यकर्ता मुझसे पूछते हैं कि अधिक सवाल तो बड़े पैदा करते हैं जिनको सब कुछ मिला, तो I would say it is a kind of a very honest appraisal by a very upright and forthright president about some of the weaknesses of the party, and also rededicating oneself to the core ideology, to the larger role as the principal opposition, also ruling in 9 states, and what future holds for us.
Right.
So that in totality, it has given a very good impression.
Tuba.com,